So I came here to get relief from my shadow, from pain of my shadow, and to find out exactly what it was.
I came here to find a way to help others.
I came here seeking healing. There's been a hole in my heart for years that I've been unable to fill.
You know, I thought it was, honestly, I had things were backfiring. I was like, oh, I'm healed. I don't need it. I don't know where I'm going 3 days before this. But I came to find the cave and what's in the cave and get out of it, come out of it. And I found exactly that. Metaphorically speaking, literally, my visions were a homeless little child in a cave, afraid to come out. And she was afraid just because she didn't have the power within her.
Oh, I had been carrying pain within me for so long, and I had tried everything. Ayahuasca, peyote, psilocybin, therapy, years and years of therapy. And there was just something deep in me that I just heal. And when I heard about this shadow work, it just sounded like that's the part I'm not getting to. And oh my God, this was so amazing.
A better understanding of what my feelings meant, and I was looking to be able to label on it. Say, okay, this is what I couldn't do that.
Just better understanding of life.
The process was a slow peeling back, and I was given the tools to find within myself my own answers.
It was incredible. Just the love and the caring and the compassion and the community and the tribe. It's incredible.
Definitely add tools to help manage all my my problems that I'm dealing with on an everyday basis.
Unlike anything that I had ever embarked on, it was difficult and scary, and oh my God, it got right to the source of all of my pain and suffering. I have been carrying this since I was 10 years old. 43 years I've been waiting to unload and release this pain. I had no idea that I was carrying that much anger. I'm not an angry person. So for me, to let go of that kind of visceral, deep down, deep in my soul anger, I feel like hey, here's my life back. I don't know.
It really takes you there. It really, it truly does open you up inside. You allow it to happen, but it also just comes in. So I came and I thought I'm coming here to learn how I can maybe be more present for other people, but I learned to be present for myself.
It is a way of connecting with myself and connecting with other people that I don't get to experience in my life every day.
I feel now strong enough to step out, to trust and take a chance on the world.
Oh my God, my life back, my soul, and the light that shined in me when I was born is there again. And I am so happy.
Strange, hope, a tool. I'm walking away with a tool. That moment when I think that I revert back to, oh, I'm just gonna not say anything, not stir the water. Now, it's fear. It's fear, and now I have the tool, the source to go directly to. I know what color it is, I know what shape it is, I know where it is, and I know what it's giving me. So I feel I'm walking away with empowerment.
I couldn't relax. I thought, I'm chill, But wow, if I hadn't been carrying that tension since maybe, who knows, maybe from the beginning. To relax in a new way was, it was free. I was able to be free. And I know that I've added a lifelong tool that I'll have the rest of my life that is going to be very helpful to me.
the ability to really see that I'm the medicine, I'm the solution in my life.
Wow.
Peace.